Hey everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Cookie Run Kingdom error 50000 or 50,000. Now, this is simply an internet connection error. So, when you are having this problem, try to use your data if you have, but if you don't have, simply check or restart your modem. Now, if the issue is your Wi-Fi, maybe call your provider about it or just wait for it to be fixed automatically. But sometimes it's not just the Wi-Fi. Sometimes the reason why it has an error like this because of the maintenance. Now, the developers may be installing or doing some maintenance on the game. So just wait for them to finish the maintenance and re-log in. And that's basically it.